Hello, I am going to start with the next session. It is a new session. After completing the previous chapter of alcohols, phenols, yes Radhika, hello, good evening. Previous chapter of alcohols, phenols and ethers. I am proceeding to the next chapter, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Mansi, Ankit Yadav, yes, good evening and good evening. Radhika, you please, yesterday I forgot, you please pose your yesterday's question with your answer. Did you follow, Radhika? Please, that BeCl2, GaCl3, AlCl3, please pose your question again, and you gave some answer, you give that answer also, I will explain. Okay. So, introduction to aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Now, these compounds, see before I go to the introduction, which of the following method is not used to prepare ether? Is not used to prepare ether. This one is used for ether preparation. This one Williamson ether synthesis. This one again Williamson ether synthesis. This appears to be Williamson ether synthesis, but here the sodium methoxide is a strong base. The reaction is similar to alcoholic KOH, means dehydrohalogenation takes place. Dehydrohalogenation takes place. Therefore, I have given you the answer here. This is a base. This will remove HX from here, H from here and X from here. Therefore, you get an alkene, you do not get an ether. So, you get an alkene. Therefore, the one which is not used for the preparation of ether is answer D. BaCl3, AlCl3, GaCl3. The question is increasing order of the ionic character in S, and the answer is AlCl3, GaCl3, BaCl3. It cannot be BaCl3 because barium, if it is barium, it should be BaCl2. If it is beryllium, it should be BeCl2. If it is boron, it is BCl3. Please see, I have more doubts. You ask me, I may also be having the same doubt. You please ask me, no problem. If I do not know, I will refer and answer. Okay. So, I will come to that. Please, Radhika, write the compound correctly, BaCl3. If it is barium, it cannot be BaCl3. Either it should be BCl3 or it should be BeCl2, etc. Okay. The answer is AlCl3, GaCl3, BaCl3. It cannot be BaCl3. Please see instead of BaCl3 what you have. I will try to explain. Okay, right. Now this is the one. So in the previous class I explained the IUPAC names of ethers, preparation of ethers and properties of ethers. Today I am going to take up what are aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids and the IUPAC names of some of the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Okay? Yes. So BCl3, AlCl3, yes. So your answer, Radhika, the question is increasing order of ionic character, yes, but in the case of the answer is AlCl3, GaCl3, BaCl3, BCl3 and the answer is BCl3 less than GaCl3 less than AlCl3. Ionic character of BCl3 less than GaCl3 less than AlCl3. I think it is gallium should come at the end. AlCl3 is less when compared to GaCl3 because AlCl3 forms Al2Cl6, a dimer is formed. BCl3, GaCl3, AlCl3. So yes, this is in the increasing order. I doubt it. BCl3 less than GaCl3 less than AlCl3. So GaCl3 should be the highest because AlCl3 will form Al2Cl6. It is more a covalent character, Al3 plus, more a covalent character than that of gallium. Therefore, BCl3, AlCl3, GaCl3. Okay, right. Yes, that is the correct one because I will tell you, I think if I remember it correctly, BCl3 is about 34% ionic, AlCl3 roughly about 32 or 33%. So it will be greater, GaCl3 will be greater. Therefore, the order is AlCl3 and then GaCl3. Okay, right. Now coming to, see, we have compounds having CO group. This CO group is called the carbonyl group. It's called the carbonyl group. So there are many compounds having the carbonyl groups. Aldehydes have carbonyl group, ketones have the carbonyl group, carboxylic acids have the carbonyl group. Good evening, Mohana Patluri. Acid halides have got carbonyl group. Acid amides have got carbonyl group. Esters have got carbonyl group. So there are so many compounds having the carbonyl group. We like to study aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids today. So what are aldehydes? See, aldehydes are those which have got the functional group C, H and O. What are ketones? BCl3, GaCl3, AlCl3 is wrong, but sir, the WB JEE question and the answer given is GaCl3, AlCl3. No, I think it is wrong. AlCl3, Al3 plus is more covalent. It is more covalent. Okay. CO group, it's ketone, and COOH is carboxylic acid group. So, those contain aldehyde, CHO group are called aldehydes, those contain CO group are called ketones, those which contain COOH group are called carboxylic acids. Okay. Now, what is the general formula? The general formula of aldehydes is RCHO. General formula of ketone is RCOR. General formula of carboxylic acid is RCOOH. So, general formula RCHO is aldehyde, RCOR is ketone, RCOOH is carboxylic acid. Now, in the case of ketones, similar to ethers, we have, if R is equal to R dash, it is symmetrical ketone. If R is not equal to R dash, it is called unsymmetrical ketone. Unsymmetrical ketone. So, we have symmetrical ketones and unsymmetrical ketones. Phenol is orthopara directing and ether too are orthopara directing groups. Yes, certainly. Methoxy group, see Radhika, OCH3, oxygen, this is orthopara directing group. Similar to phenol, this is also orthopara directing group. But compared to OH, OCH3 is not that strong an orthopara orienting group. OH and NH2 are very strong orthopara orienting groups or directing groups. OCH3 is slightly less than that. Okay, right, orthopara directing. Okay, right. So, if R is equal to R dash, simple ketone, R is not equal to R dash, it is the unsymmetrical ketone, or is also called mixed ketone. Now, we shall try to know the IUPAC names of some aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. You already know this. Still, before I enter into the preparation of aldehydes, ketones today in the next class, the second class, I would like to explain. So, aldehydes, see CH4 is methane, HCHO. To write the IUPAC name of aldehyde, remove E and write Al. For alcohol, you were writing instead of E, OL, now you write Al for this. So, the name of HCHO is methanal. Methanal. This is methanal. In this way, we can write the names of aldehydes, various aldehydes. Now, I will give you some compounds for which we shall try to know the IUPAC names. So, the name should end with Al for aldehydes, and for ketones it should end with -one, and with carboxylic acids it should end with oic acid. Oic acid. So, on the basis of this, we shall try to know a few simple and later slightly complicated, not much complicated, IUPAC names of aldehydes, ketones and then carboxylic acids. Okay, right. Coming to the CH3 CH3 CH2 CH2 CHO. My next question is that, can we say HI is highly reactive because according to Fajan's rule, smaller cation, larger anion, hence reactive as well as high covalent nature. See, remember Radhika, I will explain this later. You may pose some more questions at a later stage. See here, HF, HCl, HBr and HI. Iodine, bromine, chlorine, fluorine. The reactivity of fluorine is greater than chlorine, greater than bromine, greater than iodine. So, did you follow? Fluorine greater than chlorine, greater than bromine, greater than iodine. That is the nature of reactivity. Fluorine is the most powerful oxidizing agent among the halogens. Iodine is least powerful oxidizing agent. So, if you want to convert, I will explain this and then go to the aldehyde, etc. So, reactivity of fluorine is greater than chlorine, greater than bromine, greater than iodine. Iodine is least reactive, least reactive. If you want to convert iodine into hydrogen iodide, you should supply heat to this or energy to this. So, iodine is least reactive. If you want to convert iodine into HI, you have to supply heat. Now, let us say, do not take it the literal meaning of it. Let us say iodine has got the energy of say 100 kilojoules, 100 kilojoules. Plus heat, let us say you have to supply about 20 kilojoules of heat, then this HI will have 120 kilojoules of heat energy. Let us say, okay Sandesh, hello. So, if iodine, imagine it has got 100 kilojoules of energy and you have to supply 20 kilojoules of energy to get HI, then the energy content of HI is 120. Means HI has got higher energy content, higher energy content. Higher energy content compounds are unstable and more reactive, unstable and more reactive. Therefore, HI is more reactive than HBr, more reactive than HCl, more reactive than HF. It can be explained on the basis of energy content. Iodine has got the lowest energy among the halogens. HI has got the highest energy, therefore HI is more reactive, iodine is least reactive. Okay. Now coming back to aldehydes and ketones. So aldehydes, CH3, CHO, common name is acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde. The IUPAC name is ethanol, you know it. Still I would like to write CH3, CH2, CHO is propanol. So in this way you can write the names of other aldehydes and ketones. I have a few aldehydes and ketones here. Okay, CH3, CH, double bond CH, CHO. The IUPAC name of this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, yes, yes. So HI 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is. Butan 2N 1-al, or you may write butan 2-enol, butan 2-enol, or better butan 2N 1-al. So this is unsaturated aldehyde. Now if you have compounds like this, CH2 double bond CH, CHO. What is the name of aldehyde having 13 carbon atoms in straight chain? See, now I will, you please butan 2-enol, right? But sometimes they write that is enough, Radhika, that is enough. But sometimes they write, because aldehyde is number 1, okay, fine, excellent. But sometimes they write it as 1-al, therefore you use that. Functional group, sir, which has first priority, bond or functional? Functional group, carboxylic acid. See, bond will come only before substituents. Substituents are nitro group, halides, halogens, etc. Okay, coming to Sandesh. So bond will first functional group, then bond, then the substituents. See, CH3 Cl is chloromethane. Here chlorine is not a functional group, it is a substituent. Therefore chlorine should come after the double bond or triple bond. Similarly, CH3 CH2 NO2 nitro, this is nitroethane. Nitroethane. So nitro is the not a functional group, it is, we say it is a functional group, it is a substituent, therefore it should come after the double and triple bonds. Okay, right. Then next, what is the IUPAC name of this compound? CH2, sorry, before IUPAC name, what is the common name of this? Do you remember? I have already given you this. Do you remember this compound? Anybody? CH2 double bond CH, CHO. Yes, Sandesh, fine. CH2 double bond CH, CHO. Anybody who can tell me? I will give you 1 minute time. You give me the common name of this compound and where, in what context you have come across. Propanal, propanal. Common name. Sandesh, common name. And you should give me where you have come across this in the previous chapter. Okay, this is as Sandesh has said, propanal, that's 1, 2, 3. You have to say prop to enal, sorry, prop to enal, prop to enal or prop to N1al. Yes, Sandesh, acrolein. Where have you come across this, Radhika? In what context you have come across? Very good. Acrolein, Radhika, Sandesh. In what context I have explained this? IUPAC name of prop to enal. Okay, Mohan Patluri, prop to enal. Fine. Sandesh. Okay. What about common name is acrolein? Where have you come across this? Where have you come across acrolein? Acrolein is a test for oils, fats and glycerol. Oils, fats and glycerol. If you heat glycerol with potassium hydrogen sulfate, you get a foul smelling acrolein. Acrolein is formed. Okay. Now, yes. Now, coming to the question which was asked, 13 carbon atom. 13 carbon atom aldehyde. 10 carbon atom aldehyde is decanal. Decanal. Therefore, what should be 13 carbon atom aldehyde? 13 carbon atom aldehyde. Okay. Now, we shall see a few names of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Ketones end with the letter ONE, therefore, CH3COCH3 is propanone. Propanone. Next, CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is hexane 3-one. Hexane 3-one. Hexane 3-one. This is similarly, see, from pentanone onwards, you should write the number 1, 2, 3, etc. Up to that, it is okay. CH3, CO, CH2, CH3 is butanone. You need not write 2-butanone or butan 2-one. Whereas, from penta onwards, CH3, CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is pentan 2-one, CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3. Pentan 3-one. Pentan 3-one. Therefore, from pentan onwards, for ketones, you should write the position of the ketone. Now, I have a compound like this CH3, CO, CH2, CH2, CO, CH3. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, it should be hexane 2,4-dione. Hexane 2,4-dione. Hexane 2,4-dione. So, if you have one keto group, it is one. If you have two keto groups, it is dione. Similarly, carboxylic acids. So, carboxylic acids HCOOH, it will end with oic acid, therefore, this should be methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. CH3 COOH is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. And CH3 CH2 4 times COOH is hexanoic acid. Hexanoic acid. Hexanoic acid. So, remember one thing, in the priority list COOH is given the topmost priority. Topmost priority. Therefore, if you have COOH group, the name should end with oic acid only. Alcohol becomes hydroxy, aldehyde becomes formyl, ketonic group becomes OH, oxo, etc. Okay. Coming back to some of the IUPAC names. So, here is a compound. The IUPAC name of ICH2CH2, CH, see this is CH3, it should be CH3, not I, it should be CH3. So, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Therefore, the IUPAC name of this is 3-ethyl pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid. 3-ethyl pentanoic acid. That is the IUP. COOH is there, that is number 1. This is the main one. Ethyl group is the substituent, therefore 3-ethyl pentanoic acid. Suppose you have iodine here. Suppose let us say iodine is present, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3-ethyl 5-iodo pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid. That is the name of the compound. So, we have one more here. CH3. So, what should be the IUPAC name of this compound? 1, 2 and 3. So, it should be 2,2-dimethyl. 2,2-dimethyl propanol. 2,2-dimethyl propanol. That is the IUPAC name of this compound. Then the next one, the next question is Write the number of carbon-carbon single bonds, carbon-carbon sigma bonds, carbon-carbon pi bonds and carbon-hydrogen sigma bonds in this. How many are there? And then we shall try to know the IUPAC name of this compound. CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 CH double bond CH CH double bond O. Carbon-carbon sigma bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sigma bonds are there. Carbon-carbon pi bonds, one pi bond here, another pi bond here. This is not a carbon-carbon pi bond, this is carbon-oxygen pi bond. Therefore, 2 are there. Carbon-hydrogen sigma bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 are there. Okay. So, this is how we write the number of sigma bonds, number of pi bonds, etc. Okay. We shall try to know the IUPAC name of this compound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is heptane, heptane, sorry. Heptane 2,4-dienal, 2,4-dienal. So, it should be E, heptane 2,4-dienal, or you can write 2,4-di-N-1-al. You may write this as 2,4-di-N-1-al. Some of the books suggest this method, this also 2,4-di-N-1-al. So, heptane 2,4-dienal or 2,4-di-N-1-al. Okay. Okay. Previous class contest question. Benzyl alcohol vapors are passed through copper at 573 to 673 Kelvin to get A. Benzyl alcohol will give benzaldehyde. This reacts with CH3 MgBr to give B. B on boiling with HCl will give, it will give D, acetophenone. This on oxidation with, this will give secondary alcohol. So, you get C6H5 CH OH CH3. This on oxidation will give this CrO3. The answer is D. So, probably nobody has answered this question. 10. Winner Jyotsna. An atom session will get added to her account at the end of the day today. Congratulations, Jyotsna. Okay. Right. Today, the contest question, the IUPAC name of CH3, CHOH, CH2, CHCOOH, CH2Cl ends with, instead of this, you use oic acid. Oic acid. IUPAC name of CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2Cl COOH ends with oic acid, chloroalkane, all chloroalcohol. That is today's contest question. Okay, the next one is write the formula of benzophenone. Phenone is C6H5CO. So, benzophenone is this one. This is benzophenone. Similar to acetophenone, see this is benzophenone. Acetophenone is COCH3. COCH3. Acetophenone. Acetophenone is C6H5COCH3, whereas benzophenone is C6H5COC6H5. Okay, right. Write the IUPAC name of CH3 CH double bond CHOH CH2 COOH. It should be CH2 COOH. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, it should be 3-hydroxy 3-pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid. 3-hydroxy 3-pentanoic acid. Sometimes they write it as 3-hydroxy pent 3-enoic acid. Better, 3-enoic acid. Pent 3-hydroxy pent 3-enoic acid. Better. Okay. Grignard reagent with 4 carbon atoms, that is CH3, CH2, 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 MgI reacts with HCHO. You will give a compound A which on acid hydrolysis will give what? You know that any Grignard reagent with formaldehyde will give primary alcohol. So, A is a primary alcohol. How many carbon atoms will be there in that? 4 carbon atom here, 1 carbon atom here, therefore it should be 5 carbon, therefore it must be CH3, CH2, 3 times CH2OH. 4 plus 1, 5 carbon atom primary alcohol. First you get CH2OMgI, OMgI. This on hydrolysis will give, this is the final product, CH2 thrice CH2OH. Pentan 1-all. Pentan 1-all. So that is, yes. When do you use the word carbaldehyde for aldehydes? When CHO group is connected to, just a minute, when CHO group is connected to a ring which may or may not be aromatic, even here also, or it may be like this. So, if CHO group is connected to a ring compound, a cyclic system, then it is called a carbaldehyde. Carbaldehyde. That is why this is called benzene carbaldehyde. Okay. We shall try to know the IUPAC names of a few compounds. Try to know, this is aldehyde, so it should be, please write the IUPAC name CO, then CH, CH3, CHO, CH3, CH2, CO. So CO becomes oxo here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, it should be pentane dial. Sorry. It should be pentane dial. Pentane dial. So, the name of this compound is cyclopentane 1,2-dione. Cyclopentane 1,2-dione. The name of this compound is 1,5-dihydroxy. 1,5-dihydroxy. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,5-dihydroxy pentane 2-one. Pentane 2-one. So, this compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5-bromohexane 3N2-one. 3N2-one. So, these are some of the IUPAC names of the compounds. So, IUPAC names of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. I have given you a few examples and explained the IUPAC names. Okay. Thank you. I will continue in the next session the preparation of aldehydes, ketones, etc. So, this is the time for you to get the passport question, get access to the class practice packs sent by me with the passport. Thank you very much.